Deron Smallcomb here with Modern Law Group. Today, we're going to talk about a very important subject, which is helping yourself. Helping yourself. It's very important, right? So a lot of people, they hire an attorney and they think their job is done. It is not. It's just begun. It's just begun. Now, it was smart to hire an attorney in most cases because they're going to help you through the process. They're going to make sure that the paperwork is done correctly. They're going to represent you in court if need be, or they're going to represent you with USCIS. This is critical, right? And it's very smart to have qualified help while you're doing this. However, we could only help you as attorneys as much as you help yourself. Well, so what does that mean? You're the one that's come to us because of a certain situation, right? Whether you're seeking asylum or whether you're doing family-based petition or whether you're investing in a business, you're the one that has that information. You need to share that information. You need to be proactive, right? If you have an asylum case, for example, and you're afraid to go back to your home country, you need to produce evidence of that. We could guide you as to what evidence you need. But if you aren't actively working to come up with the evidence that's required to make your case, we can't help you. We can't acquire that evidence for you. If you were harmed and taken to a police station and beaten, you need to have a police report. If you went to the hospital, you need to have a medical report. If you were involved in politics on the wrong side and you were persecuted because of it, you need to produce evidence that you were involved. These things you need to do for yourself. To help you, you need to help yourself. That's the most important thing, okay? So if you're proactive about your future, you're trying to do things right, get the job done, get the documents that are required, provide them to us. It's better to give us more than we need and have us filter it down to almost exactly what we need than to give us too little and not enough to work with. Because when it comes to your day in court, if we don't have the evidence and you're not prepared, it's not going to go as well as you'd like it to. Deron Smallcomb, Modern Law Group. Thanks for watching.